What's up, YouTube? We're back yet again with another video, and we're at the meet for Taco Tuesday. Wolf got his S1K out finally after so long. Got that boy Evil. He finally got back on the stretch. So that's what's up, man. We ready. We ready. Got the Busa. Got a whole bunch of different other bikes out. That loud bike. They're carrying the bikes. Look at him, he's carrying the bike. Oh my goodness. One day I'll be able to do that to my bike. One day. We'll lighten it up a little bit. Damn, that boost is low, man. That tail is right on her. That boy Carlos trying to practice them power release, man. And all that little water, a little scary. Yo, they're leaning so hard. Oh my god. Yo, that's so fire, bro. Yo, look, we're even seeing that. Now, hold on. Yeah. Hey. Yes. It just boom, boom, boom. That's crazy that he's doing a wheelie, bro. Oh my god. Bro, dude. No, the S1K down. Woo! God. Fuck, dude. Why is it coming off?
I think the clamp, maybe. I don't even know. Or maybe because maybe it's like too up or something. Oh my, it keeps coming off.
Bruh. I got. Damn, that shit's hot, boy. Here, wiggle it. Yeah, bro. You have to. Wiggle it from the. You're gonna just try and go?
I'm gonna take it slow.
Okay. All right.
I'm gonna take it slow too. My pharynx are flying out, brother.
Bro, this.
I was doing 160. That bitch was up on my hand. That's not good.
Bro, you came right here. I was like, yeah! I thought you were coming for me, bro. Alright, I'm gonna come back once we get to the Wawa because it's gonna be a while until we get there. We're all gonna go a little slow, so I'm gonna cut back to it. Alright, YouTube, I don't know if it's gonna be a separate video or when we're doing this, but I'm going right. Oh, let me put this down so you guys can hear me. I'm going with Evo ZX10 right now. We're gonna go do a quick run. See how it does. And then we'll get back to the taco spot. But yeah, we've been trying to get this run in, but I don't know what happened. There's a whole bunch of stuff happened, whatever. But we're back at it now. We're gonna go get a quick little run in, so we can figure out what's going on. It's lowered, stretch, tune. It's got a Gen 6 in it, tuned by like EJR, I think. That's what it was. But yeah, I mean, it should be pretty good. My little untuned S1K, not tuned for long. We're gonna get tuned soon, hopefully, but it's gonna be good. We'll see what happens, you know. It'll be a lot of fun. Whatever. The bike that we just ran, like I said earlier, Gen 5 ZX10 with a Gen 6 in it, tune, everything like that. This bike's awesome, right?
Got it done.
So, and then Wolf back there got his exhaust kind of fixed up a little bit, so hopefully that thing sticks, but we'll see. But definitely some good runs with this guy. We gotta get back once we get tuned. Gotta get our get back.
Oh no, yeah.
Alright, YouTube, that is the end of the video here today. I really appreciate y'all for sticking by. It was really fun seeing what this bike can do against Evil's bike. So definitely got some big plans for it. Just gotta keep on monitoring, pretty much just keep throwing money at it so we can see where it goes. But yeah, I just want to say I appreciate you guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, comment, share, whatever. Interact in some way, shape, or form. And until next time. Bye.